In this tutorial, you'll learn how to apply for a free fire safety burn permit. If you live outside city limits anywhere in Idaho and plan to burn for any reason other than having a campfire for cooking, during closed fire season, Idaho law requires that you obtain a fire safety burn permit from the Idaho Department of Lands. Closed fire season runs from May 10th through October 20th of each year. For more information about closed fire season and fire safety burn permits, please visit www.idl.idaho.gov. Click on the fire link on our website's menu bar. Then select the Burn Permits option. The Renew My Permits option is designed for those who burn frequently. This option allows users to save the information needed to apply for a permit, making applying for a permit at the same location in the future very simple. However, this function is outside the scope of this tutorial. If you do not burn frequently, you'll want to click on the New Permit option. The burn permit application will open in the same window. In the next step, you'll see a map. You can use this map to physically find the location where you wish to burn. After zooming and scrolling to the right location on the map, click your mouse button to set the location of your burn site. Alternatively, you can enter the address of your burn site in the address field, then click the Find button. When the location of your burn site appears on the map, click on the Place Burn Site Here button. If you are only burning a small area or a pile of yard debris, you do not need to fill in the burn acres. The burn acres field is to be used by those who are burning larger areas. If your burn location is in a rural area and doesn't have a street address, the landmark field can help identify where your burn site is located. After completing the fields in this step, click on the Save Burn Site button. Next, the application will provide you with information about permitted and prohibited burn types. After reviewing this information, click Next. In this step, you'll choose the burn type. Please review the special requirements and any current restrictions for the burn type you selected, then click on the Next button. Step 3 may seem confusing, but it's really easy. You'll want to click on the I don't have an account button. The login option is designed for those who burn frequently and is outside of the scope of this tutorial. You're nearing completion. In this step, you'll provide your contact information, including your name, address, city, state, and zip code. The Create Account section is optional and designed to make it easy to reapply for burn permits in the future. After you have completed the required fields, click on the Submit Permit button near the lower right-hand side of the page. The system will open a dialog box, reminding you that it is your legal responsibility to print out and read the burn permit. The permit contains requirements and fire safety issues. Click OK to acknowledge this responsibility and continue. After clicking OK, your burn permit will be issued. This final step gives you the option of viewing your permit as a web page that's HTML format or as a PDF document. The PDF document is very convenient to save and print. Congratulations! After completing these simple steps, you have successfully applied for and received your fire safety burn permit. Make sure you print a copy of your permit and keep it with you when you are conducting your burn.